Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you my profit in Binance future account like 4 days 5 days. Yeah, I have won so much, and I'm gonna show you like I have turned $10 into like $60. Yeah, like $60. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, 60 in wallet. You can check margin balance is like I'm taking now long positions in BNB in isolated 75x 75 leverage, okay, and ethereum 50x, okay. So you can see my risk, yeah, 5% 3%, yeah, within 50x and 75x. So I'm gonna show you tomorrow my profit, okay. So I'm guessing I will talk to you that I have made such a 90%, 80, I think 92% profit yesterday. Taking short positions 1595 to 1566, but probably I take more shots, but I didn't take a screenshot. So yesterday's this was earning, so from 10, yeah, from $10 to $20, um, and 20 to like 40, and 40 to 60. Now the time is like 60 dollar to $100. Yeah, I'm gonna turn $60, this $60 into $100 within one day. Okay guys, if you like this video, then just keep a thumbs like, and just subscribe to my channel. I will give you a idle point to sort. Today is like taking long positions, and you can see uh, this is bottom guys, temporarily bottom. For we can see in the 4 hour time frame, we can see a tremendous increase, okay. We'll see like we will go to, there is like resistance, two resistance, okay guys. We'll check like two resistance, and last one is like 21,600 or 21,800, okay. We are gonna see that one. First of all, today the resistance will be like 19,400 to 19,600, okay. Then after if we will just break above that resistance, then 20,550 will be like another resistance. If we will break, then again another resistance will come at again 21,600, okay, 600 to 800. So I'm taking long positions. So I think this VNB and Ethereum, you have seen such a growth within this. So I will catch you later guys. Just take long positions, don't take short position, okay. I'm taking heavy leverage, okay. I'm so confident that I will just make like 400%, I think, okay guys. Within 3 minutes I have made $1 in BNB. You can check, okay. So I'm gonna end this video right now. Thank you guys, and just subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any update. On the move, okay, on the move, you have to get on the move. Delay, yeah, you should not delay, okay. Just subscribe to my channel, okay. Thank you guys. I have just made $1 in 4 minutes, yeah, with like $20, yeah, okay. Thank you.